Is your mom right about knuckle cracking causing arthritis? Let's find out. So, what's that pop when you crack your knuckles? It's not your bones shattering. There's a fluid called synovial fluid between your joints, and the cracking sound is caused by gas bubbles forming and collapsing in it. To really bust this myth, Dr. Donald Unger did a wild experiment. He cracked the knuckles of one hand for decades, leaving the other hand alone. And guess what? No difference between his hands. So cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis. But hold your horses. Doing it excessively can lead to soft tissue damage or joint swelling, so maybe don't crack away like you're training for a knuckle symphony. Myth busted. Catch you in the next one.